Hello guys, this is Nitin and I'm from second year electrical and I'm one of the student coordinators here at Marvel, and today I'm going to explain one of the many equipments we have here, and this is the 3D printer. Starting off, I'll tell the name of the printer. This is the Creality CR10 Smart Pro printer, and as the name says, it's a 3D printer, so it prints using filament rather than ink in normal printers. So the filament is printed across all the three axes. So the basic flowchart of how a model is printed here is we either download an STL file from an open source in internet, or you make your own STL file using a slicer app. Then we borrow it using a SD card holder or any other available thing, and we feed it here. And it is later converted into a G code, which the printer understands only the G code. So the G code is fed into here. And later a printer prints using the G code. The G code basically explains the printer and gives its instructions to how to print in all the three axes. And the main thing in how a printer works is the bed and the nozzle. And it plays along with the temperature. So the nozzle temperature is usually to melt the filament. The filament here uses the PLF filament. So when the filament is burnt, melted up around 210 degrees Celsius, the bed here is at a temperature of around 55 to 60. The temperature is slightly higher here so that the cohesion provided is more. And when the filament is stuck to the bed, then the 3D model is later printed out. So for now I've explained one of the many equipments we have displayed over here. And for more details, or if you want to print your own model, you can come over here to Marvel and ask for any of the coordinators here. And we are more than happy to explain all the equipments available. Thank you.